I know that at least some of you are machinists who follow us because of the cool intake manifold and other intricate billet stuff that we do. Most of that stuff's done on the little 4-axis CNC behind me. Well, the last time I set up my homemade little Trunnion table system, it took me forever and it got me to thinking there has to be a better way, and I'm never doing this again. All right, now that I'm about an hour and a half to 2 hours into this setup, I can finally start setting up for the actual part. I'm never doing this again. That led me to creating this. This is a fixture system that's guaranteed to save you time. It is comprised of our design parts as well as these inexpensive Zindian 0-point fixtures. Let's have a look at this setup inside the machine. All right, so here's the setup in the machine. We have our large 0-point fixture and our fixture base here for the Haas 4th axis. We also have our optional 4th axis mount, which hangs the 4th axis off the edge of the table outside of the work envelope, so you never have to take your 4th axis out again. The other side of it is this. This is our 0-point fixture mount, and our 0-point fixture, it also has provisions for your tool probe to get it out of the way of the work envelope so that you can swing your table without the probe being in the way. And once you get all this dialed in, all you have to do, grab your bearing mount, tighten one screw here, grab your preferred table mount, one screw here, and the table support mount, one screw here. You're all set up. All you gotta do is make your table, whatever fixturing you want on it, bolt it down to that. Everything is 0. Takes you like 2 minutes instead of 2 hours. And you can also machine whatever fixturing you have that you're using on your 4th axis currently. You can put these 0-point studs in them and just have quick detach for those as well. It's also dialed in so that my A-axis 0 is perfectly horizontal, so I literally never have to touch any of those work coordinate system zeros again. That's the LPS Fab 0-point fixture system. So this fixture system includes the large 0-point base for the 4th axis, the 0-point base for the table, the Trunnion table support bearing, as well as the Zindian 0-point fixture. We're also going to be offering several different table mounting fixtures. Optionally, we also have the 4th axis table mount that hangs the 4th axis off the table out of the way of the work so that you don't have to take your 4th axis out anymore. Go check them out and get yours today at lpsfab.com.